so I went ahead and took the whole differential out. I replaced these bushings like around 30,000 miles ago when I reinforced the subframe, but with the new clutch and flywheel, the power delivery is very harsh on the drivetrain. So this fucking diff kicks up like a horse on crack every time I touch the gas or even dump the clutch. So once they're solid bushings, solid aluminum, that power doesn't even bother trying to absorb it. It just sends it straight to the fucking wheels. Let the wheel take all the damage and all the force. This is hard to do with one hand. Bear with me. Oh, that's so fucking cocked. Come on, let me finish this. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. It's halfway out. Okay. This is the most awkward position you could ever be in. Alright. Alright, it's out. There we go. Let's see what we got. Yep, it's inside there. Oh my god, I have it left unloosened. Part 2. Easy. Now to take out the front diff bushing, you can go online and buy some specialty tools, but I don't have time. It's gonna take like 6 fucking days to come. I just had to drop the subframe brace, get big ass fucking C-clamp, big ass 900 torque snap-on, and then after that, you just fucking run that bitch down. This out. So look at this. This is the old ass worn bushing. Damn, the rubber's kind of warping out. You can see how it's caving in on the inside and it's bulging out on the other side. It's making a lip. It's already fucking busted right there. But yeah, the solid bushings should never have this issue. That looks nice. Where's that piece of shit? Look at that. It took me like 6 hours to get in that one little bushing.